Land between the lakes. We are on that little island looking thing in between the lakes. There's Lake Barkley and Kentucky Lake. And today we're just cruising. Check out this campsite. It came with a deck.
I've never had a campsite with a deck before.
No, so of course we had to do it. This is Ken Lake Resort State Park.
Yes.
And this is on Kentucky Lake in Kentucky.
We've been on the move.
We have. So we got settled in, did some yoga, pistol chewed a bone, had a good time. I just wanted to mention one thing though. If you do end up staying here, well, a couple things.
Don't make reservations.
Yeah, you definitely want to check the sites out.
Yeah, let you know the site. There are some really not level.
Yeah.
We're not level here. I'm backed up on the biggest blocks I have, and we're still quite a bit down in the back.
And we had to park off the pavement just to try and get level. And also one other thing to mention is the electrical and the water posts that you're sharing with your neighbor campsite. They're about 50 feet away from where you park.
Here's where our water and electrical hookup are.
Yeah. So
Over there.
Yeah.
I don't have near enough.
That's us over here.
I don't have near enough.
Which is fine for us because we don't need to plug in, but if you have to, that's worth noting here. But this is such an amazing spot. Look at this.
Yeah, beautiful.
I mean, how fun. So Dave's gonna go for a bike ride here.
Sorry for the wind.
Yeah, he's gonna get that in. Camp. It is cold this morning and the wind howled all night long, like blew, shook the van.
There was a couple times in my mind I was thinking, is that a tornado? Because it was just whistling over the air conditioner. The sound was so...
Yeah.
But we're right on the lake and the wind was just ripping. And
I have a feeling if there is an actual tornado, you know it.
I know, but when you're kind of waking up in the middle of the night, and of course we've been in 2 tornado watches, and all of a sudden the van, it's probably the most this van is rocking the wind since we've been in a van.
Well, and it was kind of on the leveler.
Oh,
wonky,
yeah.
So.
We were going, yeah. But yeah, the whole van was, and then I started thinking, because that one leveler was on the gravel, and it was kind of wonky, I thought, is it going to like
snap off or slide off?
Irene's going to have a rude awakening if that happens.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it's brisk out.
It's brisk. So you know what? I think we've come too far north. We're just too far north. So we are headed back south again. This is too cold. We're such wimps. But it's the wind. It's the cold plus the wind. So we're kind of making our way a little bit further south today.
up, navigator?
This is what we like. Yeehaw! I guess we're in Missouri. We crossed the Mississippi River and now we're in Missouri. I actually did not know we were going to do that today. Arkansas! Never been here before. Here's the deal.
What's the deal, honey?
I made brownies. I did. And
you've got to learn not to say in advance, we're gonna make brownies, because then when you don't, people get disappointed.
yeah, but I've learned something about brownies. You can alter a few things, like put in coconut, put in peanut butter cups, you know, zhuzh them up a little bit, but I tried to alter the recipe too much and make them healthy. But who really wants a healthy brownie anyway? You're not eating brownies to be healthy. And they were inedible. They were awful. It was like the worst thing I'd ever eaten. So they went in the trash and I have to have a redo. Like, you just have to go all out with the brownies. Do the butter and the, you know, you just gotta go.
Just adjust the sugar currently, because we don't like things too sweet, so we use less sugar.
Yeah, and I use maple syrup instead of sugar, and then I didn't have enough maple syrup, so
it was too dry, so all she had was like some soy milk or something.
yeah, I just threw more soy milk in. It was a cluster. Anyway, I gave it an effort and it did not work, and you know what, that's okay. I've learned, live and learn. But today we are in Arkansas and we're headed, we don't really know. We're meeting up with actually some cousins of Dave's that one he hasn't seen since he was a kid, and one he saw a few years back in Montana. But they live near Little Rock and we're gonna be camping with them and visiting for a couple days. So that is the direction we are headed, and we'll probably make a couple stops between here and there, but we'll see you around there somewhere. Carry on.
Carry on.
So this is Ken Lake Resort
State Park. In Kentucky.
in Kentucky, all in the Tennessee, Lake Tennessee.
No.
Tennessee Lake.
No.
Kentucky Lake. Oh my God, why did I say Tennessee? I cannot get it right.